Hi viewers, you are watching Mr. Tech. Today I will show you how to add Instagram link in Snack video. This is very easy method, hope you will understand easily. So let's start. First of all, you have to open the Snack video and go to your profile. Here you can see an interface like this. After that you have to click on edit profile. Here you can see below Instagram. Then you have to click it. Here you have to enter your Instagram link. If you don't know your Instagram link, then I will tell you where to get the Instagram link. For that you will have to go to any browser. I have to go Chrome. And here you have to write the name of your Instagram ID. And here you will see that your ID link is shown. Then you have to copy it and then go back in Snack video. And here you have to paste your Instagram link. And click then save. In this way, your Instagram link has been added in Snack video. If you like our video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for get our new videos. And keep watching Mr. Tech for more advanced tutorials. Bye.